So this weekend, we're doing a family camping and whitewater rafting trip up at Wilderness Tours on the Ottawa River. We're doing their long weekender package, which includes 3 nights of camping and 2 days of rafting. On the first day, we do the classic high-adventure rafting trip down the river's middle channel, where we even have a chance to swim down the rapids. On the second day, we get to guide our own raft down the river, which is just intense. Be sure to stick around and leave a thumbs up if you enjoy this video.
So we're currently going to the pavilion to check out this place, and we're going down to the river. We'll show you around, give you a quick tour.
So this is actually Wilderness Tours' new location for 2020. They have a nice beach area, they have rentals that you could go out and take, and it's pretty nice overall. Right now we're starting the fire. Having a little bit of difficulty. We get the fire started. We put some marshmallows on there. It'd be nice.
Yeah, but we're already. Albie, did you bring?
Lucas, come here. Vlog.
Transition.
So we told these guys to come back with some firewood. They went in the forest. Look what they brought.
Nothing.
Nothing.
That is a tree. Oh my goodness.
I don't need anything. I need a chalk.
Who wants to get a hot slice of pizza?
So we are now heading to breakfast, and later on today we're doing our rafting, so stay tuned.
So this is our breakfast right now.
This is Lucas's. Well, no, that was my water.
It's not bad.
So we just had our breakfast. Now we're gonna hang around the campsite for a bit, play some can jam, some ultimate frisbee, even some football. Then we'll have lunch, and then later on in the afternoon is when we go off and do our rafting adventure. So hope you enjoyed that drone footage. Now we're going for lunch, and we're getting ready because we gotta go rafting soon. It's gonna be fun and cold.
There you go.
Thank you. Damn.
You should pray for your team.
Okay, rafting on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Rafting! And then say hi, Nana. Hi, Nana!
Gearing up right now.
You look hideous when he's doing this.
So these are the rafts that we're gonna be in. It's gonna be fun.
Where is this guy's air conditioner?
Excuse me, does the bus have AC?
Once it gets going, we got about 12 window AC.
Oh, look at those rafts.
I'd like to welcome you all to the mighty Ottawa River!
Get in, get in.
Alright, keep paddling forward, all forward. Gear 2, gear
With Michaela, we have jumped in off the raft because we've all fallen off and are just, you know, going for a casual swim before we hit some more rapids. We just finished going through our first rapid about 4 times, literally in circles. Hopefully we hit some new ones.
Alright, let's go, gear 2! Alright, so know, when we're paddling through a rapid, you can't just grab onto the rope halfway through. I'm looking at you, Eric.
We are making our way to swim over these couple of waves of rapids.
Okay, so we might be swimming all the way across there and then through these rafts. It seems pretty scary to me, but we'll see how John does and then I'll decide.
Swim.
Oh my god, well, what if it pulls him over there? Holy shit.
Next.
I don't know if I can do this.
Where's our group just Caitlin?
I thought I was gonna die. So I don't know if you caught any of that, but I don't think I did it right. I forgot that I wasn't supposed to breathe. Inhaled a lot of water. Helmet kind of started falling off. 10 out of 10, probably would not recommend. Yeah, very not that great of an experience, but it was fun. I'm happy I did it.
So basically, they're letting you jump in over there and you float down these rapids. And it's insane because then you come and have to swim out over here. Franco didn't make it, so he's on the boat over there right now.
We are currently cliff jumping in the Ottawa River.
So, you want to jump off over here? This? Yeah. Go ahead.
So we did some cliff jumping, not me because I'm cold, but it looked really fun, so back to the boat.
And let's go all forward. Alright, you
You okay? That was insane.
That was good.
What
I got red on. Or look this way.
Alrighty, so we're getting back to the beach here. We just started up there. You just made it down about 8 kilometers the Ottawa River.
It was definitely on purpose.
Alright, anyway.
Okay, we're gonna go for a nice steak dinner. I'm so excited. Oh yeah.
We'll see what they have for me.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
We worked up a big appetite today on those rapids.
Oh, we did.
Steak dinner.
Oh, it looks good too. Good morning, today is Saturday. Today we got some guide your own rafting where we're actually going to be guiding it down the rapids. So it's going to be so cool. So as you can see, only 6 out of the 18 of us came to today's rafting.
Hey fans, we're here and today is a guide your own whitewater rafting on our boat. Forward. It's probably not going well. Likeliness of us falling is very. We're on our way to our first rapid. It's the same one we did yesterday, but today we've got John rather than Connor steering. So if we tip over, we know who is going to be kicked out of the family.
At this rapid, guys, I'll be out on my rock and I will be pointing, but to remind you of the paddling strokes, right? Go that way, stop paddling, and down.
Oh, he says right.
Rapid and it was wild. It was the best one so far and we did amazing. We got a little sidetracked, but it's good.
John did not kill us.
Very fun for anyone in the family. The other, what, 12 members that didn't come?
Yeah.
You missed out.
Paddle forward.
Okay, so we are now have the option of doing a wild or a mild trip, and I guess we're choosing to do a wild one. Wild! We're team mild, everyone else team wild. So yeah, that means we're probably gonna flip, but I hope one of you guys will.
Oh, we missed it.
Say overall, out of the first 4 rapids we've hit, first one was definitely the best. Yeah. We're hoping for some more like that.
And you,
Oh, this guy, look at this guy. This guy's alone on the kayak. Oh, yeah, he's out. It flipped, he's out.
Now we're gonna swim down those same rapids.
So we just swam down that rapid there. Pretty good, a lot easier than yesterday. I was able to hold my breath most of the time.
Same here. I did this the whole time.
That was so good. There was this big waterfall that we had to walk around because we couldn't take the raft down there. So show them. They're literally throwing the rafts down. Oh, there's one up there. Wow. Oh, look at that. Paddle! Paddle! We need speed! Paddle, Kaylin! John, turn right! John!
It doesn't matter how I steer the boat if you're not paddling.
I paddled that whole time.
Oh, Kaylin doesn't paddle.
Kaylin.
Right down the middle.
Ooh, now we gotta sit down here with the fire. Today's dinner, we got some nice barbecue chicken. We got some chili for the vegetarian. Oh man, this is gonna be good. Okay, so we're going for a hike right now with the family. We're gonna explore this campground a little bit. So this is Peddler's Meadows right now. This is more of the quiet campsite. It's good for groups, but it's a little bit further than the main area, and there's no showers, so.
Okay, up there is the quiet zone, the campsite that you just saw. That's the party zone for the campers that are really, really noisy, but
That's where we're staying.
The good thing about there is, see those 2 little peaked buildings? One of them is flushable toilets with running water. And right behind it is where we go for our food.
So behind me is a scenic lookout. So we actually took the raft down there. You go down to the river and look. Wow.
So we're back to our campsite. Our little hike was really fun, and now it's time to relax.
We're gonna make the fire now. Okay, go ahead, get this air pump on. Oh, that's how you start the fire. Yeah.
Now it's nighttime, Saturday night. We did our rafting today, and now we got getting clear skies, and we got the moon coming out. Look at that, beautiful.
Rise and shine. Today's a sunny day. We're off to breakfast right now, and then we're heading home.
We're heading to get coffee, and we're gonna drink it by the river. I'm packing up the tent and Rick's not helping.
I'm supervising.
So we're heading out now. We got an amazing experience. It was so much fun. Definitely would recommend 10 out of 10. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe.
Below.
We have a situation right now. There's a frog in the tent. Where is it? Where is it? It was right here.
Can't go in. It's on the thing.
Oh, there, let me see.
Robert, get it out, please. Gross. Oh my God.
Aw, come on.
Don't touch it.
Get out, buddy.
There it is.
Get out, buddy.
Come
Take a picture.
the wood now.
Robert. Robert.
Oh my God, Robert.
Listen, Robert. Watch.
No.
Yeah.
You're terrible.
Give it to me.
Watch. You go like this, okay? You start like this.
Oh my God, watch your fingers.
And then once, then you hit like this. And it's done.
Eric. Okay, so we have dumbbells.
No excuses!
Let's go, let's go.